Hello, this is going to be a tutorial on how to change the content on the pages of SSWEN.org. The pages are the elements that we see in the primary navigation area, including all of the links that show up below them. All of these pages can be modified in the admin, with the exception of the home page. The only reason for that is because the home page is actually comprised of a bunch of content from other pages. So you actually change the home page by changing elements on other pages. So first, let's look at how to modify a page. So let's take a look at the women's rights page and edit that. Right now, this is how the content stands. And you'll notice that there's a little link down here that says edit. The only reason why we're seeing that edit link right now is because I'm actually logged into the dashboard. Being logged into the admin is detected by the site, and it says, okay, so obviously the admin is logged in. If they want to edit this page, they can. So let's just click on this link, and I'm going to open it up in another tab just so that we can see the changes as they happen. And this is the editing interface. We'll notice that all of the things, the title and the content that we see on here are what we see in here. So this is the title, and this is the header and the content, just like we see here, title, header, content. So let's delete this element, and I've got some filler text here that I'm just going to copy. I'm going to paste it into here. And so now I've got all of this text. If I wanted to call it good right now, I could just click update. You'll see the little circle here, and when it's done, at the top it'll say page updated. And then you can view the new page just by clicking on that link. I'm going to open it up in another tab just so we can compare. So now here's the title, and here's all the text that I just entered. Before it looked like this, and now it looks like this. Now let's say perhaps we want to add an image, which will often be the case. The best way to do it is to put your cursor at the very beginning, right before the first letter, and then you'll see under the upload insert area there's this icon that says add an image. So let's click on that. And we can select files from our computer very easily. Just choose a file to upload by clicking on the select files. And then we can choose any of the images we want. Let's take the logo, for example. It's going to upload it, and then it's going to give me a preview. It'll tell me what the title of the image is. If I wanted to put alternate text in here, I could put that right in here. If I wanted to put a caption, I could put that in. And then the description, the alternate text and the description are really more for search engines. It's very good to use them, but they aren't necessary. The caption isn't necessary either. If you don't put a caption in, it just won't show up. You'll notice that there's a link URL that's given for the image. And then we can choose the alignment. We can say none, which means it'll just put it in wherever the cursor is. We could say left, center, or right. So let's choose right. And then we've got 4 different sizes, thumbnail, medium, large, and full size. You'll notice that medium and large aren't selectable, and that's because the full-size image actually isn't at a high enough resolution to support a medium or large image, so only a thumbnail size is available. And the thumbnail size is pretty large, especially for posts. So we'll click this button, Insert into Post, and you notice it puts the image in there, and everything's looking pretty good. So we'll click on the Update page. We'll see our little circle, and then you'll notice the page will refresh a little bit, and now we can take another view of the page. And there's our image. And I've got a little caption down there as well. So we took it from here to this, and now all the content is updated, and the page is ready to go.